Most people don't struggle with English because they are bad at languages. They struggle because of small daily mistakes they don't even realize they are making. Mistakes that feel normal, mistakes that feel harmless, but over time, they quietly stop progress. Welcome back to LingoMania. In the last episodes, we talked about starting your English journey and learning every day. Today, we'll talk about the small daily mistakes that don't look serious, but slowly stop progress. Not big mistakes, not obvious mistakes, just small habits that hold you back. And if you recognize yourself today, that's a good sign, because awareness is where progress starts. Part 1. Thinking your routine must be perfect. Many learners believe this: my routine must be perfect or it doesn't work. So they plan a big routine, a strict routine, a heavy routine. 1 hour, 2 hours, grammar, vocabulary, speaking, writing. And it works for 3 days. Then life happens. You get tired, you miss 1 day, and suddenly you stop completely. Here's the truth: a routine that is too big is fragile. A routine that is small is strong. Your daily English routine should feel almost too easy. If you can do it on your worst day, you chose the right routine. Consistency doesn't come from discipline. It comes from simplicity. Part 2. Changing methods too often. Another common mistake: always searching for something better, a new app, a new YouTube channel, a new method, a new secret. You think, this one will finally work. But language learning is not about finding the perfect method. It's about staying long enough with one method. Your brain needs repetition, familiar voices, familiar structures. When you change methods every week, your brain never settles. Choose one simple way to learn and stay with it. Boring progress is real progress. Trying to understand everything. Let's be honest, not understanding feels uncomfortable. So what do learners do? They pause the audio. They translate every word. They stop enjoying the process. But here's something important: you learned your first language without understanding everything. Understanding comes after exposure, not before. When you listen to English, your brain is working quietly, even if you feel lost, especially when you feel lost. Confusion is not failure. Confusion is learning. Relax into it. Waiting to speak when ready. This mistake is very common. I'll speak when my English is better. But speaking is not the result. Speaking is the practice. If you wait, you stay silent forever. You don't need confidence. Confidence comes after action. Speak alone. Speak badly. Speak slowly. Say simple things. Repeat sentences. Talk to yourself. Your mouth learns by moving, not by waiting. Studying hard, but not often. Some people study English only when they have time. Once a week, 2 hours, very serious, then nothing for days. This feels productive, but it's not effective. Languages grow with contact, daily contact. Even 5 minutes keeps the connection alive. Your brain forgets quickly when there is distance. Short and daily beats long and rare. Always. No fixed moment in the day. Here's a quiet mistake that many people ignore: no fixed time. Learning English sometime during the day usually means not learning at all. Your brain loves patterns. Same time, same place, same trigger. Morning coffee, walking outside, before sleep. Attach English to your life, not to motivation. Motivation is unstable. Habits are not. Learning English separate from your life. Many learners treat English like a subject, something separate, something serious, something heavy. But English is a tool to enjoy life more. Watch what you already love in English. Listen to content you enjoy, not content you should enjoy. When English connects to your interests, it stops being work and starts becoming part of you. Being too hard on yourself. This might be the most dangerous mistake. Talking to yourself badly. Saying, "I'm bad at English, I'm slow, I'll never be fluent." These words matter. Your brain listens. Change the language you use with yourself. Say, "I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm still here." Progress doesn't need pressure, it needs patience. Part 9. What actually works, the simple truth. There is no magic routine. There is no perfect learner. There is only this: show up, a little, every day. Listen, repeat, use, then rest. Language learning is not loud. It's quiet, slow, invisible, until one day you understand, you react, you don't translate, and it feels natural. That moment only comes to those who stayed. If today felt long, that's okay. If learning feels slow, that's normal. Growth doesn't rush. And if you're listening to this right now, you didn't quit. You're still in the game. And that matters more than you think. This is LingoMania. Small steps, every day, no pressure. I'll see you in the next episode.